Being the first female firefighter in Quinte West is an honor, and I'm very, very proud of what I've been able to accomplish. At the end of the day, there are no males or females on the fire ground. We're just firefighters, so being a woman doesn't really set me apart that much. This career has been a challenge. It's been a challenge to get where I am now, and it'll be a challenge for the next 30 years, which I love. My name's Sarah Scott. I'm a fire prevention officer with Quinte West Fire Department. I wanted to be a firefighter because I've grown up in this city. I'm dedicated to this community and I want to keep everyone safe if I can, or have a hand in keeping everyone safe. The adrenaline would definitely be what drives my passion for firefighting. I love how your day can go from sitting here doing office work or having lunch with the guys and the tones go off and your adrenaline just spikes, and it's from 0 to 100 in 2 seconds, and I just love that about this career and being a firefighter. The atmosphere here at Station 1 is so light. You come in and it's like working with 16 of your best friends. I have 16 brothers. I have 16 dads. They all look out for me. Every Thursday, one of the guys or me will go out to the grocery store and buy ingredients. We'll come back to the hall, cook it up, and we'll all eat together and have a nice meal. It's definitely kind of a competition. Today I'm cooking steak on a bun on the barbecue, and hopefully this will blow all the other meals away that all the guys have cooked. I love burgers in the summer, definitely. Homemade burgers with all the fixings, sweet potato fries. I love cooking meat on the barbecue, it's awesome. My coworkers would say that I have the quickest wit they've ever seen, ever. They often tell me that what they love about me is the fact that I can dish it out and I can give it back to them if they're giving it out to me, for sure. I know that they're impressed with what I've been able to accomplish at such a young age. I'm only 23, and as a female, to come into this industry at 23 years old and be able to prove yourself and to beat out 20 men in a physical competition, they know that I made it here by rights. In my spare time, I enjoy running. I've ran 6 half marathons, most of them local. Running really helps me to decompress before and after work, after a busy shift or after an investigation. It helps me to clear my mind. I also enjoy hiking. There are so many great places to hike in Quinte West. North American made to me would mean that someone that you may know or your neighbors have a hand in creating the product that you're using. Every piece of equipment that we have in the fire station is checked top to bottom, bumper to bumper, to make sure that it's going to be reliable throughout the day. It's not going to let us down. They're Canadian made. Our grill is Canadian made. We like to ensure that everything we have at the station is there when we need it, and it's going to work properly. The trucks are getting us to the calls. The grill is cooking the food that's going to fuel us on those calls. My advice to any young females that wanted to be firefighters would be get your education, for sure, because it's important to bring something to the table that not a lot of people have. I have a philosophy degree. It brings awesome analytical skills and critical thinking skills to the table. You have to make sure that you're physically fit, so always exercise so you can keep up with the guys and sometimes even beat them out. Don't let anyone tell you no. I was told no quite a bit. That just made me want to be able to do it more. So if anyone tells you no, just use it as a brick to stand on and just build your wall. It's a philosophy degree right there.